Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be continuing the building chatbots and with using Python series. And if you've been enjoying this so far, please consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Python can also perform exponentiation. In written math, you might see an exponent as a superscript of a number, but typing the superscript numbers isn't always easy on modern keyboards. Since this operation is related to multiplication, we can just use the notation times times. For example, if you have 2 raised to the 10th power, you can just simply put 2 times uh, 10 and get 1024. Or, for example, if you want to do like 8 to the 2, we can simply just do 8 times 2. So it's basically just instead of the exponent. So let me show you guys. So we'll come down here. So in math, instead of doing like 8 to the 2, Python, we do, you just literally do 8 times 2. And that's the same thing. That's the same thing as this in regular math. So yeah, we can just simply just do this. So you really like how the square quotes from the last exercise came out and decide that all quotes will be a square from now on. So using the operator, print out how many squares will need to be 6 by 6, 7 by 7, and 8 by 8. So pretty easy. You just do print and then 6 times 6. And then like in other languages, it's really more complicated. You have to understand what like math class is, what math.pow is, but bro, in Python it's pretty straightforward. It's not that bad. It's actually very, very nice. What did we do? Print out how many squares will need to be 4 and 8. I didn't. What did you print out? I thought I did. What did I do wrong? Did you print out 6 squared, 7 squared, and 8 squared? I did, I thought. Oh, I'm stupid. A 6 by 6 is 7 by 7, 8 by. Okay. I'm blanking out. I apologize. So, I was printing out 6 times 6. This 6 times 6 is the same thing as raising 6 to the 2. So that makes sense. And then your 6 by 6 quotes have been so popular that 6 people have requested 6 quotes. Print out how many total tiles you will need to make a 6 by 6 quotes for 6 people. Okay. So how many squares for 6 people to have 6 quotes, each that are 6 by 6? Let's see. Okay, well, you would need, let me see, 36. Let's see, print. How many squares you would need? So you would need 36 to the 6, I'm guessing. Is it 36 to the 6? It's too much. 36. You have 6 to the 6. I think it's the 6 to the 6, I'm pretty sure. The 6 to the 6. Let me get a hint, bro. Like, okay. Since it's 6 times. Oh, right. Okay, so there's 6 people. You need 6 quotes, and it's 6 by 6. So that's why you would just need a 6 times 6 times 6, which is 6 to the raised to the 4, which then you get this number, 1296. Okay, so I messed up on both, but Code Academy has my back. They're saving me there, but that is going to be exponents in Python. And again, the syntax is very easy. Just questions like these will trip you up. So just practice on that. But it's pretty straightforward. But that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you aren't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.